Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just my trade journal. And here we are, last trade session for the month of May 31st, 23. And it's Wednesday. Price action order flow levels is what we're going to talk about. I've got 4 charts, 24, 1 hour, 15, and the Renko. So let's get at it. 24-hour chart. So we're looking at the last 3 sessions, and Friday manipulation completely, this big candle bar, and then here we are for Wednesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Wednesday's looking okay. We've got this pivot here from Tuesday and the Monday session combined into one candle with the high right up here at 42.42. And currently we're at 42.09. We've already dipped into the fib 50% for the 3-day high and low. That's equilibrium at 41.9450. So that was on my chart because it is the new week open gap from May 22nd. So new week open gap May 29th, new week open gap May 22nd. This is the zone I'm looking to see on what we do. It might be a narrow range, not an outside range. People could be waiting on the sidelines on the debt ceiling budget vote. We'll see. But this is the level on the 24-hour chart. Let's go to the 1 hour next. Okay, 60-minute. I like this chart a lot because it's the structure. And what I'm looking at here, of course, this price is coming back off of low. So here was the first low, and then we come back, we break that low. So sell side liquidity happened, and then here we are reaching back for the new day open gap, and then above it, what we've got is a pivot right below the new week open gap. So to me, it looks like we're going to blow through the new day open gap. I'm just going to watch the 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. zone, maybe sit on hands before I take a trade. If we do get up into this new week open gap, I'm going to watch it real closely for the setup, but I'm going to be careful since it is the last day of the month. The 15-minute chart next. Bellwether 15 minutes. So the yellow circle upper right corner, that was the Tuesday RTH open way up here, 42.33 and some change. Below new week open gap, we talked about that. New day open gap, we talked about that. And New York midnight open 42.05, we just passed that threshold. And look at London's open 41.9750. So going to be very interested to see where we are 8:30, 9:30 relative to New York midnight and London. So London could be our low. We'll see. And as far as relative highs, draw on liquidities, where is it headed? The next stop for 42.17.5, and right above that, the pivot again. So looking for this zone to be tapped before I get really involved with any kind of inventory. I'm going to be very patient, and I do not want to be long right now at all. So shorts only for me based on this chart. Let's go Renko next. My old friend the Renko, loving this. Upper blue Keltner 42.32, lower blue 41.86, and here we are, price hitting right in the middle on the red 4209.5. So that's a no-fly zone right there. No initiating on the red zone. And you can see VWAPs above day 2 and day 3. New week open gap, new day open gap, another new week open gap. So all the levels are here on a non-time-based Renko. And again, why I love the Renko is it's just really measuring standard deviation and swing price. I like the colors. I like the volume deltas. And I like the software I'm using, and this is just going to be helping me stay out of trouble. So I'm going to sit on hands. I want to see confluence and confirmation on the Renko, ideally in the zip code of one of these blue ranges. But since I'm not long, I'm going to be looking for the blues on above for a short, or possibly these day 1 VWAPs and into this new week open zone. So there you have it. That's the wrap. Take care. and stay tuned for the June 1st video. Aloha. Bye.